Want to show your screen on Instagram Live? In the next 60 seconds, I'll walk you through it, step by step. First, open the Instagram app and log into the account you want to go live from. From the home screen, tap the plus icon at the bottom or top, then choose Live from the options. Give your live a title or description so viewers know what you're sharing on screen. Before going live, check your camera, mic, and internet connection for a smooth stream. When you're ready, tap the Live button to start your Instagram Live broadcast. Once you're live, look for the screen share or share screen icon in the bottom control bar. Tap the share screen icon. A pop-up will appear asking for permission to record or broadcast your screen. Tap Start Broadcast or Start Now. A short countdown may appear before your screen is shared. After the countdown, your phone screen is now visible to everyone watching your Instagram Live. You can now open apps, slides, or a browser tab. Anything on your screen will be streamed in real time. When you're finished, stop screen sharing from the control bar, then end your live. That's how you share your screen on Instagram.